For the ultra-rich people, true luxury is not a penthouse in New York or a villa in the south of France. It's an island, completely private and completely yours. But there is a reason these paradises are often priced at a steal. As global sea level rise, the land these billionaire bunkers are built is sinking. But instead of abandoning these luxury havens, developers are pouring multi-million-dollar investment into an unwinnable war against the ocean. Today we are investigating the astronomical hidden cost of building a private paradise on a sinking island. They promise an eternal escape, but for many buyers in Maldives, the Caribbean, and even parts of the Pacific, that eternity is shrinking by inches every year. Real estates are selling the dream of isolation, but they are not mentioning the logistical nightmare of a sinking island. To keep the water back, owners are spending millions on seawalls and wave breakers. It is a battle against the ocean that you can never truly win. The real crisis is not just the water on the lawn. It is what happens underneath. These islands rely on delicate freshwater lenses for their water supply. As sea levels rise, salt water seeps in, poisoning the island's only natural water source. This forces owners to rely on massive, expensive desalination plants that are prone to failure in the harsh salt air. Without fresh water or power, these multi-million-dollar mansions become unlivable overnight. The off-grid dream quickly becomes a high-maintenance nightmare. But there is a human cost too. While billionaires pour money into protecting their private sandbars, the local communities living on the same sinking islands are often left to fend for themselves. The construction of private seawalls can actually redirect wave energy, causing even faster erosion for neighboring villages. It raises a haunting question. Who has the right to save their land when the ocean comes for everyone? Is it the people who lived there for generations? Or the person with the largest bank account? Building a paradise on a sinking island is the ultimate act of defiance against nature. But in the end, the ocean always takes back what belongs to it. These islands are a warning. No amount of wealth can hold back the tide forever. If you found this deep dive fascinating, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.